It's tax time. That means I'm talking to my girl Gwennetta Wright. Tax tips with Gwennetta. Hey, boo! Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
All right. First of all,
oh, I love all this candy you got in here. Oh, Jesus.
That's cash flow. That's not me.
Oh.
I promise you. Okay. So look, New Year. First of all, we got some changes, but when can people start doing their taxes? Has it already started?
So for hub testing, we have submitted some returns. Some returns have came back, accepted, and that's just because every year the IRS give software companies an advance where they can start sending returns through the system, so they can test the system prior to them opening up officially.
Okay. All right. So officially, what's the official date?
So the official date is January 26th.
Okay. So just a little over a week. So, okay, changes. You were telling me there's a lot of changes, so we're going to probably have to cover this in a couple of weeks.
Yes, we are.
What are some of the major changes?
So, we have a lot of new deductions based off the one big beautiful bill act that they signed into law back in July. So a lot of those deductions takes place this year.
Usually it takes a couple of years.
Right? No, a lot of them take place this year. So it's 4 major ones I think that's going to affect a lot of people. So one is the senior deduction. Okay. That was them saying, they was going to stop taxing Social Security. They did not do that, and instead they gave seniors people who are 65 and older a deduction, a $6,000 deduction, and a $12,000 if you found a married filing joint.
Oh, wow.
So that's one. Then you have
somebody think they ain't gonna pay. I ain't gonna talk about that.
Then you have the no tax on tips. So people who receive tips in certain profession up to $25,000, they will not be taxed on their tips. Okay. So that's another one. Then we have the new personal car loan interest deduction.
Oh, really?
Yes. So people who purchase a car in 2025, and it has to be a brand new car. Okay. Not brand new to you, but brand new off the lot, never drove, gotcha. You the first owner. And it has to be manufactured in the United States. Then they have a deduction up to $10,000 for that. And that's for personal. You don't have to be in a business or anything. That's a personal deduction. And then lastly, we got no tax on overtime, and that's going to affect a lot of people and be beneficial to a lot of people. And I have something to say about that, because the employers are not mandated to actually put that overtime pay on W-2 forms. When you get your taxes done, people, make sure you download your last paycheck stub and take it into the tax company with you. I know a lot of y'all get direct deposits, so you might not never look at your paycheck stub. But if you know you work overtime, make sure you take that into when you get your taxes done, just in case it's not on your W-2. Now, everybody's not going to qualify, it's an income withholding type thing, but you want to make sure if you do overtime, that you make sure you're prepared.
So take your last paycheck stub and your W-2.
Yes.
Okay, gotcha. Gwen, tell them how they can contact you when you are not hanging out with me at the station.
Okay, you can contact me by, first of all, you can see me if you're in Columbus, 3604 Macon Road, Suite 15, right behind the Dairy Queen. If you do not want to come in the office, or some people that's out of town, you can submit your information 24/7 on our website at www.xperttaxservices.com.
Okay, and XP.
XP, not EX. Now, somebody should tell me to spell it right, but it's XP.
All right, Gwennetta Wright, we're going to see you again next week.
Yes.
And I will just say this. My kids do not live here, and they email Gwen every year because she has saved them from themselves. All right, Gwen, I'll see you next Thursday.
See you next week.